Certainly. Here are some futuristic technologies that have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. 1. Artificial intelligence. AI is advancing at an astonishing pace, enabling machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and sophisticated data analysis, AI is transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. 2. Robotics and automation. Robots are becoming increasingly advanced and versatile. They can assist with complex surgeries, perform household chores, and even operate in hazardous environments. Automation is streamlining manufacturing processes and improving efficiency in industries worldwide. 3. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR/AR overlays digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with the environment. VR immerses users in entirely virtual worlds. These technologies have applications in gaming, education, training, design, and entertainment, offering new ways to visualize and experience information. 4. Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling them to communicate and share data. Smart homes, wearable devices, and connected cities are just a few examples. IoT has the potential to enhance convenience, efficiency, and sustainability in various domains. 5. 5G and next-generation connectivity. 5G is the latest generation of wireless technology, offering significantly faster speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity. It will enable advancements in areas such as autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, augmented reality, and smart cities. 6. Biotechnology and genetic engineering. Advances in biotechnology are revolutionizing healthcare, agriculture, and environmental conservation. Gene editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9 allow precise modification of DNA, opening possibilities for disease treatment, genetically modified crops, and conservation efforts. 7. Quantum computing. Quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to perform complex computations exponentially faster than traditional computers. They have the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, drug discovery, optimization, and simulations. 8. Renewable energy technologies. As the world seeks to transition to sustainable energy sources, technologies such as solar power, wind power, and advanced energy storage solutions are gaining momentum. These innovations aim to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate the impact of climate change. 9. Space exploration and colonization. Private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of space exploration. Advancements in rocket technology and plans for establishing colonies on other planets or celestial bodies could pave the way for new frontiers in human existence. 10. Brain-computer interfaces. BCIs establish direct communication between the brain and external devices, enabling control and interaction through thoughts. This technology holds promise in areas such as prosthetics, rehabilitation, and communication for individuals with disabilities. These futuristic technologies represent just a glimpse of what is on the horizon. They have the potential to transform industries, enhance our daily lives, and unlock new possibilities for human progress and exploration.